What is going on, my peeps? It's Micah back with Versatile Productions. Back here to talk about the Galaxy S22 Plus in all of its glory. And as you see by the box, this baby is pink. If we open it, you'll see there's nothing in there because I've already been using this phone, all right? Y'all thought I was gonna wait. No. I'm gonna change how I do my unboxings too going forward. Here's the phone in all of its glory. This pink phone looks very nice. Looks very premium. I do wish it was kind of like that iPhone rose gold, in my personal opinion, if I was gonna rock it, because it's pink, is very pink. But the railings look really nice because it is reminiscent of that more darker rose gold look. But it is called pink gold, so what should I expect, right? What should I expect? The Galaxy S22 Plus, one of the first things that stood out to me was the size. It's perfect. Like, it's straight all screen. Like, it all screen, baby. All screen. And I like that. I like what they've done with the edges. They refined them. They made them thicker, a little more squarish, a little more sharp as well, so you can really feel it in your hand. You can reach the phone. It screams for one-hand use, right? This and the S22, but the S22 Plus in particular is a perfect 6.6-inch monster. The frosted glass on the back looks great. You won't have any problems with fingerprint smudges, fingerprint anywhere, you know, even scratches, if there will be any, will be hard to tell on here. I do like that they kept that refined camera module look that they've had since last year. Kind of also going back to the S20, but not in this way where it's built into, or was at least built into the actual frame like last year. Well, I've been using the phone for about 3 days, 3.5 days. I've had it for about 5 or 6, but I've only used it for about 3 days. I'll explain the other days a little bit later. But what's some of the standouts that I've noticed from it? Well, it's 8 gigs, 256, or 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, which means no problems in storage with this phone. The one thing I wish that they did with the boxes is they still included the actual details on the back in terms of what you're getting on your device. I had to actually go into settings and check out storage, and to see 240 gigs available was very nice. So Samsung making sure that there's storage, viable storage options available for all SKUs is also a good thing. So I've been enjoying that. I haven't noticed any problems, of course, because it takes a little bit to fill up storage. The display is immaculate. Get a full 1080p plus or FHD plus display, and you get 120 hertz adaptive, which drops down to 48 hertz when you're not really using it like that, which will help you save battery. And what a great segue into the conversation about these phones is battery life. The S22 Plus took a dip in battery from the S21 Plus, from like 4,800 milliamps to 4,500, and I've noticed no problems. The few days that I was able to record, I think I was able to get 2 days. The third day I didn't get because it died on me. No, it didn't die on me, I just wasn't paying attention. I actually ended with like 40% with that on that day. The first day I had gotten, I don't know, like 14.5 hours out of it after completely setting it up. I took it off the charger this time, set it up, let it run its course, and was able to get good usage out of the first day. The second day went straight into like a whole day worth of usage, and the screen time was a relative around 4 to 5 hours. And then the third day I got like 22 hours and 39 minutes. That's the day I didn't record. I had gotten like 22 hours, 39 minutes or something like that, with, again, comparable about 3 to 4 hours screen on time, and I still had like 40% left, like 33% left. Great battery life. Again, I can't voice how easy it is to establish very good battery life on this phone. Even with the Ultra that's not with me, I've been able to get very good battery life. So in this case, I max out the settings still, and I think it's that 5G toggle within Good Guardians, which is in the Galaxy store, that really helps with battery life and overall usage. I haven't had any problem in that department. I like leading with that because a lot of people seem to always be concerned about the battery life on Samsung devices, or phones in general, I should say. Battery life A-okay. In terms of the display, as I mentioned, it's beautiful. Haven't had any issues there. Camera quality, remember, this phone has a 50 megapixel on the back with the telephoto and the wide angle. So you get an ultra wide 12 megapixel, and you get I believe it's a 3 times telephoto lens on the back, and then I believe you still get I think it's a 10 megapixel on the front. It's not a 40 megapixel like the ultra, but all maintain high quality. Everything still looks great with this device. It's been a solid, great experience in terms of my first impressions using this phone for like 3 days. Now, what happened to the last couple days? I ain't had a phone because somebody else put their SIM in the car. Somebody else, you hear them in the background now, put their SIM in this phone, and they running it as a daily driver. We gonna see if they gonna keep it, and we're gonna introduce that person right now. Come on over here. Come on over here. Yeah,
this is weird because I don't record like this, so.
Get a little lotion.
Yes, I don't look ashy on camera. Okay.
Introduce yourself.
Oh, okay. Let me. My name is. You guys know me. I'm his. I mean, maybe you don't, but I'm his wife, Candace. And yeah, I'm using. I can't believe it. I'm using the Samsung. I put my SIM card in here because if I didn't, somebody was gonna disown me if I didn't do that. So, you know, I was like, I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and give it a try because I haven't tried Samsung since when's the last time I tried it? What was the first Samsung? The S1? Is it the what was it? Is it the S1? Or was the S2 the first one?
I think Galaxy S may have been the first one.
Okay, well I had the Galaxy S and the S2. I had one was in black, one was in white. I had both of those phones, and then I had Android. I've had Android most of my life up until like I was maybe, I don't know. I had it most of my life, and then I decided to try iPhone, and I've been iPhone since because that's just been my preference. But I was like, you know what? Yeah, I could give this a try. It's a free phone, and why not, you know, revisit, see if it's different from when I had it back then. And it is different. Like, it's like, okay, it's the same but different. Oh, it's the same but different, I would say. Like, was this the model, the build is of course different, and I like this. It does seem more like iPhone. Yes, it does. And I love, my favorite color is pink, so that's really what, like, because if this phone wasn't pink, I probably, if it was white, but if it wasn't pink, I probably, I don't know, that just really got me because I love pink. So yeah, I love that. And then I like how it just feels like sturdy versus the ones I had before, which were like plastic. So, and this, when I compared it to my iPhone holding it, they felt about the same in the hands, like the weight. So I like that. So far, I can't give too much detail because it's only been, I just put my SIM in yesterday, but yeah, so far I've liked it. The difference, something that I have not liked so far is that sometimes it'll just freeze while I'm setting it up. I don't know if it's because I was using it for a long time and it was just like overload, too much going on, so it would just freeze and like force close some apps. But we'll see over time. Like, I'm using it for 3 weeks, so we'll see if that continues or not. I like the customization. I like the customization, especially I can't show you guys, but when your display is off and someone sends you a message, it'll, like the rim or whatever you call this, it'll light up.
Edge lighting? Yeah,
the edge lighting, and it'll do like a little animation. So I really like that. And then this is the always on display. Okay, I like that too. If you could see, well, you probably can't, but you know, I just made it a little cute, you know, cute or whatever. And yeah, like the fingerprint sensor, I like that as well, because I miss that from Apple. I do miss the fingerprint sensor. I don't know why they got rid of that, but yeah, I really like that. It would have been nice if it was on the back too, because the Pixel, like when I was, that's another phone that I've used before, and I like how the fingerprint sensor is on the back. But yeah, like, I don't know. So far, I would say I like it. The one thing I do, I haven't used Duo because I use FaceTime and, iMessage a lot because most of my family and friends have iPhones. So that's the only adjustment that, like, that's what, group text messaging and messaging, that's the only difference that I'm seeing. But since you have since Bink has a what's it called, a Samsung, then I see the messaging is a lot more fluid between two Samsungs. So kind of like with iPhones, two iPhones, it's fluid, the blue, green, y'all get it. So yeah, that's what I have to say about it so far.
When can they look for your review?
I don't know. Oh, after it's only been a day, so in 20 days or 20, I was 21. Oh, 21 because it has to be. I have to use it a full 21 days, and it's already been 1 day. So in 21 days, then you will see my review. Then I could give you guys a more, detailed review comparing it to iPhone.
All right. We'll close out the video.
Okay, I'm gonna close it out like you. So yeah, it's your boy how do you, wait, I'm trying to think how you do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and it's your boy Versatile, or you say now you say Micah. It's your boy Micah. I said Micah. Okay, it's your boy Bink, and I'm signing out. And until the next video. Wait for it. That's how you be.